Welcome to another episode of the video on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux and connected through Serial Pi Plus with Minicom, serial terminal, a band cable via the GPIO to this breadboard, and a network cable for use with VNC, Virtual Network Computing. Apart from running Ubuntu, it is programmed in Python for use of ROS, Robot Operating System. And lately I have encountered some problems. More specific, that messages that are the core of the Robot Operating System are not running as they should. ROS has standard messages, but you can also define your own messages, and the problem arises now when custom messages have been made and they have been found and they are not found. That is confusing, and that they are found is that the packet with a command to find the package shows indeed that the custom message belongs to the package. However, when you run the package, it claims that the custom message doesn't exist. And that is where I ended last time. So the big question is, since it happens with the original package and two additional new packages which I created just to find out if I could do anything else to solve it, and so far no solution. Now, Linux, just like any other operating system, needs its updates, and apart from having changed settings backwards from some settings version 2 to 1, and then finding out last time that that didn't matter, I have run an update on the Raspberry Pi and found that there was a very big update pending on ROS. So I ran the update, and let's first see if this runs. So I am with the ROS core running, by the way, of course, and selecting the original package. I will try to run the new one, and of course then I make some mistakes in typing. So let me see if this runs. And of course I forget to source the whole stuff. So while I type in, and you can't see, please bear with me. Alright, so now I've sourced everything, and now I'm running the publisher, which immediately says that it cannot find the module named FD photo transistor message. So I need to take that one out. But this is the example that things don't run. So now it runs, and then subscriber gives the same error. So I'm opening the subscriber, have to disable the same phototransistor message, and now this runs, and when I press the button the LED burns, and for some reason this doesn't burn. But let me press the button. Now it does, and then that does. Alright, so now it's proven that that runs. But what else? Let's find out. So now this is working, but it doesn't mean that anything else is working. So let's quit this one and let's find, yeah, these are commands that have to do with my attempt to install something for the external monitor, but it didn't really work out. Now, does this work? No, it does not. So this basically means that, right, okay, yeah, here you can find that I started the VNC terminal from the serial terminal, and this is everything, the whole boot sequence of the Raspberry Pi. And I have updated 181 packages, including a lot of ROS. Anyway, let me open mechatronics. That is this one, and indeed I found this troubling one. So let me exit, update, and run again. And yes, you can see that this monitor, that this one is running. Shine a better light. But as I said in the introduction, this is not the purpose. The purpose is to do anything, to run such a customized message. Now let me add this one and open another one, because I also have Motorix Publisher and I have Motorix Subscriber. And now the big question is, what works, what doesn't? So, oh, and by the way, I still use now VNC Desktop 1 for the editor, and the second VNC Desktop for commanding, and only one camera. So this is quite suitable for my needs. And let me go back to Motorix. Yeah, it is Motorix, but that's the of course that is Subscriber. No, I need a subscriber here, and I need a publisher here. No, that won't work. Alright, that works. And here is exactly the same. And despite the extensive update that I ran, motorics and mechatronics packages have different versions. One is version 1, one is version 2. So I had hoped that the update would solve something in this, but it clearly does not. Big question, what now? What next? And as I have shown you before with the RaspberryPi package, now I'm showing you with, for example, the motoric package. I run the motorics package and then the subscriber, while the publisher just goes its way. The subscriber says, okay, there's an FT photo transistor message, but I can't find it. There's no module named. So using and now I have to do it correctly. This is the motorics package. So here, using the ROS message command on package motoric, and I had to source set up again. I forgot about it, but when I did it again, it said very nicely, FT photo transistor is present. So how come that it says there's no module named, and that it can effortless list it as being there? The same thing with mechatronics package. Two packages, but well, let's go here and yeah, it doesn't do it, but it did exactly the same. So should I create another package? I don't think so, because I have now 3 packages, or more appropriately 4, but one is just fake. But I have 3 serious packages. RaspberryPi, that works, as you have seen here and here with the electronics, it works. Except that it doesn't find, RosRun doesn't find the messages which are there. So let me once again show you. These are all the messages belonging to RaspberryPi, and these are all the messages that it doesn't find while they are there. So if the already mentioned extensive updates don't work, sorry for the interruption, I had to correct a typo here, incidental typo. But if the package update doesn't solve this, then what is the real culprit? What is the real source of these problems? And that is a very big if. A very big question mark actually. Also because I haven't found any information as yet about this stuff. So let's go back to RaspberryPi and see whatever happens. What if? You never know. What if? So going back to RaspberryPi, let's with this as a background see whatever is there. Source RaspberryPi. So we have a CMake list and the package.xml. Let's check this one. Go to ft underscore. Okay, this is what it looks like. All files are there, mentioned. Now this in itself means not everything. So let's go here. And then go to the message folder. Message directory actually. It's not called folder, it's directory. We're talking Linux and Unix. So here, RaspberryPi message. FT motor message. FT sensor Pi. Message RaspberryPi. Another message RaspberryPi. FT phototransistor Pi. FT robot transistor. Okay, so what's in them? This is there. Then all too familiar. Then yep. Then and yeah, in case you forgot, the RaspberryPi has data and data too, and with these packages I am actually trying to segregate them into separate messages. That is what it's all about. Like here, totally segregated and separated. That too. And here, just another one. They are all there. Why are they not found? What is going wrong with them? Let's go one directory back. Now we are here. No, that's not going to work. So let's find and that's all. Because packages are not found in package.xml, or messages are not found there. I am still missing a vital clue. The big problem is how to solve it. And this is proving it is there. This is proving it is there, and yet the error message that is not found proves something wrong. But yeah, I'm repeating myself constantly. Why? Right, so the way it looks now, it is absolutely no use to keep on going like this, creating new packages that just end the same way. They work, kind of, but not the way they should, with multiple custom created by me messages. Not talking even about ROS nodes. This is a ROS node and this is a ROS node. Let me shift this to the right so everything is visible. The only way I feel this can be solved is going absolutely back to basics and refollow the tutorial, although I've done that quite a few times by now. Also, what is the difference between version 1 packaging and version 2 packaging? Well, I think I know, but what is the difference? Why has it occurred suddenly? And those are the mysteries and questions I have right now, and time lapse to solve them straight away. So next time I hope to have solved something, but I've done this. I've tried this now for such a long time that I'm feeling I'm reaching somewhere a dead end, but that can't be true. So yeah, I'm afraid for now this is it. And with that, I am for this episode saying goodbye. In principle things work, but when looking further, unfortunately they do not the way they should. As they say, to be continued. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you like, much appreciated. You can follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet, like it, leave a comment. You can follow me also on Instagram. Please like it, leave a comment. Please donate to show your support on my videos. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned, depending on your monthly pledge. Just on my website or on my website as well as with the video. All voluntary but highly appreciated. And this is going to be continued. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.